Hello students, today we are going to read about fuse. So fuses are the protectors. These are the safety devices which we use to protect the home appliances like television, refrigerator, computers which can get damaged by high voltage. The fuse is made up of thin strip or strand of metal. Whenever the heavy amount of current flow is there in an electrical circuit, the fuse melts and it opens the circuit and disconnects it from the power supply. It works as a circuit breaker which protects the device from damage. In the market, many types, features and design of fuses are available nowadays. Their strips are made up of aluminum, copper, zinc, and it always connects in series with the circuit to protect from overcurrent in the running cables. So the circuit diagram and the symbol of the fuse is given below. So in this circuit we have battery, switch and a particular load, and also a fuse which is connected in series. So why do we need fuse? Fuses are used for the prevention of home appliances from the short circuit and damage by overload. If we don't use fuses, electrical faults occur in the wiring and it burns the wire, causing damage to electrical appliances. It can put our home appliances at risk. When the fuse goes, a sudden spark occurs which may turn your home into sudden darkness by disconnecting the power supply, which saves any further mishappenings. That's why we need fuses to protect our home appliance from harm. How does fuse work? The fuses work on the principle of heating effect of the current. It's made up of thin strip or strand of metallic wire with non-combustible material. This is connected between the ends of the terminals. Fuse is always connected in series with the electrical circuit. When the excessive current or heat is generated due to heavy current flows in the circuit, the fuse melts down due to the low melting point of the element and it opens this circuit. The excessive flow may lead to the breakdown of wire and stops the flow of current. The fuse can be replaced or changed with the new one with suitable ratings. So that's all for today.